Imagine commanding an interstellar civilization, navigating complex diplomatic relations, and encountering unpredictable events. Welcome to Stellaris, the grand strategy video game that blends traditional 4X gameplay with rich narrative elements. Stellaris is developed by Paradox Development Studio and published by Paradox Development Studio, and allowing players to explore the vast galaxy, colonize new worlds, and manage their civilization's growth. However, it faced significant challenges at launch, needing substantial improvements over its first 2 years. The game features extensive diplomacy options, making Stellaris more of a diplomacy sandbox space opera than just another 4X title. Despite initial flaws like broken claim systems and fleet combat issues, it grew into a robust strategy experience. One of the standout features in Stellaris is its narrative event system. Events can provide positive or negative outcomes and often require player decisions, adding depth to strategic gameplay and creating unique storylines for each game session. Compared to similar games like Endless Space 2 or Galactic Civilizations or V, Stellaris has a significantly larger player base with over 10K concurrent players. This is due in part to its extensive modding community and the engaging narrative elements that keep players coming back. The game's popularity also stems from its ability to offer a deep, immersive experience without sacrificing accessibility. Players can delve into complex systems or focus on high-level strategy and diplomacy. In summary, Stellaris offers an unparalleled blend of traditional 4X mechanics with engaging narrative events, making it a standout title in the space strategy genre and beloved by players for its depth and replayability. So what's your favorite feature of Stellaris? Share your experiences or theories about why it stands out in the comments. Hey yo,